Hello everyone, welcome to Windows 10 tutorials in which we are going to see that how are we going to take a screenshot in Windows 10. Now this screenshot command actually differs for your different systems. Like in Windows it would be different, in Ubuntu it would be different. So it depends on the version or the software, the OS that you are using. Okay. So in this video we are going to talk about Windows specifically. There are two ways to take a screenshot. The first one is that you can simply go to the search icon and type in snip. So this would bring up a snipping tool. This is actually a screenshot tool that helps you to take and record the screenshots. So now you can see there are different modes over here, like a freeform snip, rectangular snip, the full window snip, or a full screen snip. So if you want something in rectangular, which is usually the case, just select rectangular snip and this area would be blanked, it would be grayed out. So you can just select the area that you want to take a screenshot. Suppose I want to take this much of the screenshot. Now this is the screenshot that I got. I can make any changes, like there are markers and the erasers to change the screenshot. Furthermore, this screenshot is already copied, so if I want I can paste it anywhere. The second is, let me just close it. The second way is you press the Windows Shift and the S keys from your keyboard, and that would also bring up the screenshot icon. So there are different forms of snip, like rectangular snip, freeform snip, or a whole window snip, or a full screen snip. So I'm just going with a rectangular snip, and let me just take a screenshot. This would automatically to be copied and saved to the clipboard, and this image you can simply just share with anyone. So that's how you take screenshots in your Windows PC, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.